We'll guide you through how to choose a hair color using ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Log in with your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the main page, you need to start a new chat. Simply click on the New Chat button. Now, in the chat box, you can ask ChatGPT to help you choose a hair color. You might type something like, "Help me choose a hair color that complements my skin tone and eye color." Be sure to provide details like your current hair color, any past dye experiences, or any specific shades you're considering. ChatGPT will analyze your input and suggest colors that match your preferences, and describe how they might look with your complexion and features. If you're unsure about a suggestion, you can ask further questions like, "What does this shade typically look like under natural light?" Or, "Are there any particular trends I should consider?" ChatGPT can provide insights on current trends and styles popular in the fashion industry. Remember, you can also ask for more practical advice like how the maintenance of a particular color might be, or what products you might need. Once you're satisfied with a suggestion, you can save the conversation for later reference. This way, you can easily share the suggestions with your stylist or friends for additional opinions. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.